Hello, my name is Elizabeth Hoyland, and this is my video on membrane transport. So there are a few different ways that substances can pass through the membrane. The two that I'm going to be talking about are passive transport and active transport, starting with passive transport. Passive transport is different from active transport in that it doesn't use ATP. The first form of passive transport that I'm going to be explaining is filtration. Filtration is a form of passive transport that uses hydrostatic pressure to move substances through the membrane. Here you can see that I've used dice to represent the substances being pushed by the hydrostatic pressure through the cell membrane. The next kind of passive transport that I'm going to be explaining is called simple diffusion. And simple diffusion explains the way that substances go from areas of high concentration to areas of low concentration. Simple diffusion is a general term of particles moving from areas of high to low concentration, but when it comes to water, this would be called osmosis. Next, I'm going to be talking about facilitated diffusion, which is a form of carrier-mediated transport. Facilitated diffusion moves substances from areas of high concentration to low concentration by using a membrane protein, although this does not require ATP. Finally, I'm going to talk about active transport, which refers to the movement of substances through a protein. Although, unlike the last protein we discussed, the proteins in active transport do require ATP. Next, I'd like to talk about vesicular transport, which refers to a process that is used to move larger molecules across the membrane. It does this by using ATP and small packages called vesicles. The word endocytosis is used to describe the movement of substances into a cell. The word exocytosis refers to the movement of substances out of a cell.